Chiliz value equivalent to $0.164 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $150 on 191. The earlier day close $1.183. The change was 0.19, 161%. Backwards rate US to CHZ. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,250, while low 5,000. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,691. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,263. Change for July 15.8%. US to CHZ expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 5,263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,263, while low 4,167. They found the middle value of cost 4,810. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4,545. Change for August 13.6%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 4,545 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,545, while low 3,571. They found the middle value of cost 4,127. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,846. Change for September 15.4%. US to CHZ expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 3,846 coins. Excessive cost 3,846, while low 3,333. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,649. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,571. Change for October 7.2%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 3,571 coins. Excessive cost 3,571, while low 3,125. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,400. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,333. Change for November 6.7%. US to CHZ expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at 3,333 coins. Excessive cost 3,448, while low 3,030. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,259. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,226. Change for December 3.2%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 3,226 coins. Excessive cost 3,333, while low 2,941. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,156. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,125. Change for January 3.1%. US to CHZ expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 3,125 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,857. They found the middle value of cost 3,060. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3,030. Change for February 3%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 3,030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,125, while low 2,778. They found the middle value of cost 2,969. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,141. Change for spring 2.9%. US to CHZ expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at 2,041 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,030, while low 2,703. They found the middle value of cost 2,883. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,857. Change for April 2.9%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for May 2025. At the outset cost at 2,857 coins. Excessive cost 2,841, while low 2,500. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,750. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2,703. Change for May 5.4%. US to CHZ expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,439. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,658. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2,632. Change for June 2.6%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for July 2025. In the first place cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,439. They found the middle value of cost 2,640. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,632. Change for July 0%. Us to CHZ expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,128. The found the middle value of cost 2,4,816. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,273. Change for August 13.6%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for September 2025. To start with, cost at 2,273 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,1041, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,5048. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,703. Change for September 18.9%. Us to CHZ expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 3,4048, while low 2,703. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,020. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,226. Change for October 19%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for November 2025. To start with, cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,226. They found the middle value of cost 3,401. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,448. Change for November 6.9%. Us to CHZ expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,448, while low 3,030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,288. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,226. Change for December 6.4%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for January 2026. Initially cost at 3,226 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,564. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,849. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,778. Change for January 13.9%. Us to CHZ expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 2,778 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,222. They found the middle value of cost 2,540. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,381. Change for February 14.3%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 2,381 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,662. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2,857. Change for spring 20%. Us to CHZ expectation for April 2026. Before all else, cost at 2,857 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 2,857. The arrived at the midpoint